Hey guys, today I'm just going to talk about the system and the strategy that help a lot of businesses, especially online businesses, to where they need to be. So, if you are into these online businesses, this might be the best strategy that you can apply to your business. So, let's dive in. So, the proven system that leads to success. What is a I call it 5P because, pigeonhole people, product, platform, promote success. That's basically the 5P that can lead you, the 5P system or the 5P strategy that can lead you to the success. So let's talk about pigeonhole. Basically, pigeonhole is a category, basically where and how you're gonna pick category, right? So what you think about, what is your passion? What you want to start a business? You want to start a merchandise? You want to start a course or teaching people something? You don't have to be a course about affiliate marketing. It can be a course of anything, like someone have a way to quit smoking within 30 days. Like, is that sounds amazing? Yeah, if you know the trick or the tip or the knowledge that you want to share to the world, you know, just use that. Whatever you're passionate about, category doesn't matter. To pick one, but the top three that you should pick is wealth, which is everybody want to make money, right? So that is the top one. And the second, health and fitness. Everybody want to be fit. Everybody want to be healthy. So that's the second big one. And the third one is dating relationship. Of course, everybody want to have great relationship with, doesn't matter, with parents, kids, loved ones, wife, husband, girlfriend, boyfriend, or even friendship with friends or business partners. This is why the big three category should be the top three that you should pick because they're gonna help you generate more income. The second P is people, right? Who's people? So when you pick your category, then you have to think about like who needs that category or product that you are thinking about, right? So category. So if you pick about dating, if you pick about make money online, or you pick about fitness, who need that? Like if you want to focus on women only that looking for losing their 20 pounds in 6 months or stuff like that, then you target audience is basically women this age, you know, have a different lifestyle that they've been sitting on their desk all day long. They couldn't find the time to lose weight or stuff like that, or exercise. So then this might be your ideal client. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Then next is product, right? You have to think about the ideal client that you pick, what they need or what they want. Like say, for example, if you pick women that have a lifestyle of sit on their desk all day long, they don't have time to basically go exercise or lose weight or find a way that help them lose weight, then the product might be diet plan, exercise or exercise plan and stuff like that. Those would be something that they want and they need, right? That they need, but what they want is losing weight. So you might use supplement to help them basically adapt their metabolism or stuff like that. There's so many ideas you can pick after you pick your category, after you pick the people which should your ideal client. Then the product is very simple and easy enough to pick because when you know your people, basically you know exactly what they need or they want. So next will be platform. Basically, I usually tell my student or people that as seek advice for me. So basically platform whatever is hot at the moment to get your traffic, right? Because you want to get a lot of eyeballs in your products, your website, or whatever it is you promoting. So that would be the hot platform. However, there are two type of platform will be long term and short term. So short term will be Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Long term will be blog, YouTube. So and I think it's Pinterest as well. So, but right now I think TikTok is hot. So I'll be jump into the hot platform to get a lot of traffic, get people email list. So the simple way to explain this hot item here, which is the fourth P. Then the last step, promote. This is pretty go deeper into how you're promoting it. This is like a section that you're gonna exercise your marketing skill, right? Doesn't matter copywriting or ads or basically how you show up on your content, right? So how good with your graphic and stuff like that, because graphic can catch people attention and get more eyeballs on your website or your products. Then if you get all these 5P right, you know what you get? You're gonna get success. Doesn't matter what success look like to you, it belong to you. So you don't compare your success to anybody else, because don't compare your chapter 1 to someone else chapter 20. But you know what? Before you start the process, before you start your business, online business, make sure you have this 5P figured out before you get success. And you know what? I want to add the last 5P is patient. This is like a little thing that I add to. So patient. Be patient to get to your success, because you know what? Success not built overnight. It takes time. Even though people buy lottery tickets, they have been buy a lot of ticket before they win that one. So keep working at it, keep going, be patient to your success, and I will see you on the next video. Good luck to you all. Bye now. I got something special to share with you. Click the link in the description to learn how to make money with affiliate marketing.